Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful envelope clutch. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook, cutter, stitch marker and velcro. For this project, I am using 4 mm crochet hook. Envelope clutch is done using ribbed stitch. To do this envelope clutch, we will be working on the back loops and we will be doing single crochet only on the back loops. So now let's see how to do this beautiful envelope clutch. Start with magic circle, chain 1, yarn over, pull through the loop. Next you are going to work in this magic circle. You are going to do 5 single crochet inside the circle, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through both the loops. This is what we say it a single crochet. We have to do 4 more single crochet inside the circle. Total you should have 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Next pull this yarn to close the circle. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. From this round, we will be working only on the back loop. So you are going to work on the back loop. So if you see a chain, this is the back loop and this is the front loop. So we are going to work only in the back loops. We will do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Next stitch, 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. You can place the stitch marker in this chain. Next, do 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Next stitch, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. So after completing them, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work. So from next round, it is the repeat round. We have to follow that pattern till the required length of the purse you want. That is, in this first stitch, we are working only on the back loops. We'll do 2 single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. So do single crochet in the back loop. Do single crochet in the back loops. Single crochet in the back loops. Single crochet in the back loops. So now we have reached the stitch marker. Remove the stitch marker and in this chain you are going to do 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. So we are working only in the back loop. For this whole project we will be working in the back loops. So place the stitch marker in this chain. Same way how we did here, we will do single crochet in the back loops till you are left with the last stitch. The last stitch will be doing 2 single crochet. So this last stitch you are going to do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So after completing them, it looks like this. For next round, you have to follow the same thing, that is chain 1, turn your work, do 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. So we will be working only on the back loops. After doing single crochet till you reach a stitch marker, it looks like this. Next, remove the stitch marker. That chain, the back loop, do 1 single crochet, chain 1 and 1 more single crochet. Place the stitch marker in this chain. Next, do single crochet in each stitch only on the back loops until you reach the last stitch, and in the last stitch you will be doing 2 single crochet. So now we are in this last stitch. In the last stitch you are going to do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. So it looks like this. So this will be the pattern which you are going to follow till the required length of the clutch you want. That is, the starting and ending of the row you will be doing an increase, that is 2 single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker, that is the chain, and in that stitch we will be doing single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and we'll follow the same thing on the other side also till the required length of the clutch you want. Also we have to do only in the back loops. After doing them for the required length, it looks like this. I have done them for 7 inches. After you get the length of the clutch, we have to change the pattern little bit. So that is, do chain 1, turn your work. So skip the first stitch, do a single crochet in the next stitch, and do single crochet only in the back loops till you reach the stitch marker. After doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker, it looks like this. Remove the stitch marker, and in that stitch you are going to do single crochet, chain 1 and single crochet. Same way, place the stitch marker in this chain 1. Next, do single crochet in each stitch till you are left with this last stitch. After doing single crochet in each stitch in the back loops, it looks like this. So if you see here, now we are left with this last stitch. So we'll skip the last stitch. Next round, do chain 1, turn your work, skip the first stitch, and in the next stitch you will be doing the single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. So likewise you will be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker, and in the stitch marker place you will be doing single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and do single crochet in each stitch till you are left with this last stitch, and we will skip the last stitch. After doing them, it looks like this. So if you see, we have skipped the last stitch. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, skip the first stitch, and do single crochet in the back loop in the next stitch. So you have to follow this pattern till the required height of the purse you want. So that is, the pattern will be, we have to skip the first and the last stitch, and then we have to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. Then in that one place we will be doing single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Then do single crochet in each stitch and we'll skip the last stitch. We have to do this till the required height of the clutch you want. After doing them till the required height, it looks like this. Next, you can fold them like this to form it like the pouch. We will join them together here. Same way, we will join them together here. Insert the hook, the stitch, do a single crochet. Same way, insert it in the next stitch. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet till you reach this end. After joining them, it looks like this. Same way, we have to join the other side using single crochet. After joining both these sides, the pouch looks like this. Next, you can keep a velcro or a press button here. Next, we will keep a velcro here. After adding velcro to this clutch, it looks like this. Envelope clutch looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.